Hello, I am Sharnadeep Sinha from East West Model School and I have secured the first rank in ISC 2020 examination overall toppers category in my school by scoring 98.75%. I want to specially thank AKS Education Awards for honoring us with the National School Toppers Award. Excellence is putting in your best efforts without thinking much about the outcome. This has always been my guideline to success, and in this success of mine, the greatest contributions have come from my school, East West Model School, our respected principal sir, my wonderful teachers, and of course, my parents. My father has always been supportive of my education, and my mother is my ultimate inspiration. She always asks me to compete with myself and nobody else, and this is how I strive towards success. Thank you.
Hello, I am Sumita Sinha, mother of Sharnadeep Sinha, who secured the first rank in the overall toppers category in ISC examination 2020 from East West Model School. I want to say a special thanks to AKS Education Awards for honoring us and awarding my son to celebrate his success. As a parent, I have been lenient and patient with Swarnadeep and allowed him to pick up knowledge in his own way. Neither me nor his father have ever pressurized him into anything. This way he could grow and build his own confidence. This is our success story of parenting him. Thank you.
A very good morning to you. My name is Ayan Mukherjee and I have appeared for my ISC examinations from East West Model School. I have secured 97.25% marks and my overall rank is second in the school. A special thanks to AKS Education Awards for presenting me the National School Toppers Award on my success. Let me take this opportunity to share the story behind my success. I will make it crisp and short. I have never procrastinated my studies and I used to complete the topics the same day as they were taught in the school. Understanding the concepts of the topic is very important. One should always give priority to quality rather than quantity. And finally, the most important thing is practice. We all know practice makes a man perfect. I would like to conclude here by thanking my parents, my school, my teachers for their never-ending support and encouragement. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Ranjit Mukherjee, father of Ayan Mukherjee, speaking on behalf of myself and his mother Sudipta Mukherjee, who basically contributed most in Ayan's getting second rank in ISC from East West Model School, Bardhaman. We thank AKS Education Awards for selecting Ayan for the National School Toppers Award and also express our heartiest gratitude to his teachers of the school, whose guidance is the key to Ayan's success. We have simply guided Ayan in taking decisions throughout his studies, but his success is definitely attributable to his efforts only. He had been a sincere and brilliant student all along, with control over almost all subjects, with emphasis on mathematics and science papers. It is Ayan's hard work, perseverance, and of course the grace of God that led to his success. Thank you.
Hello, I am Srijan Pal from class 12 of East West Model School. I have scored 96.75% marks in ISC 2020, securing third position in our school. I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for honoring me with their National School Toppers Award. I believe in quality study rather than quantity study. If you work smart, you do not need to work hard. Playing outdoor games regularly also helped me to relax and free up my mind. My school, my teachers, my friends, and my parents always kept me motivated. My success would not have been possible without their contribution. I would like to thank all of them.
I, Sanjeev Pal, father of Srijan Pal, who got 96.75% marks in ISC 2020 examination. He secured third position in his school, East West Model School, Bardwan, West Bengal. I would like to thank the principal, the management, and the teachers of his school for guiding and grooming my son. I would also like to thank AKS Educational Awards for honoring my son. We always guided and motivated Srijan, but we never gave him pressure. For recreation, we encouraged him to go out and play with his friends. We never wanted Srijan to be a bookworm. I would like to thank my wife Mumita Pal for her all-out support. Thank you, Srijan, for making us proud.
Hello everyone, I am Sayyid Farhan Ali. I am a student of East West Model School since class 1. I obtained 96.25% marks in ISC 2020 and secured 4th position in my school. I am really indebted to my teachers, parents, and principals, sir, because of their tireless efforts behind my success. I am really lucky enough to get the guidance of such wonderful personalities that taught me lessons of diligence, discipline, and dedication. I also thank AKS Educational Awards for National Students Award. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Sabina Sultana, mother of Soyed Farhan Ali from East West Model School. My son secured 96.25 percentage marks in the ISC 2020. I'm really grateful to the principal sir, to all the teaching and non-teaching staff of this school for their tireless endeavor behind my son's success. I wanted an all-round development of my son when I admitted him to class 1 in this school, and I'm now quite satisfied with the performance of the school. Again, I'm very much excited to be a part of the AKS Educational Awards mission to inspire all the students of this country. Thanks to AKS.
Hello everyone, I am Oishi Banerjee from East West Model School. My category is overall school topper and I have secured 95.25% and 5th rank in ISC in school. I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for National School Toppers Award for giving me this opportunity to share my success story with you all.
From class 11, it was my goal to achieve above 90% in ISC, so I started preparing by following my teacher's instructions blindly. I made routines and schedules for each day and week. I studied for at least 8 to 9 hours per day.
To reach my goal, my teachers helped me by giving me the best knowledge and clearing all my doubts. My parents and friends were always there for me whenever I needed them. All of the credit goes to my school, teachers, parents and friends. Without them, I would not have achieved this. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Aparna Banerjee, mother of Oishi Banerjee from East West Model School. I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for honoring and awarding the students. My daughter has been studying in East West Model School from class 3. I had complete faith in school and teachers that they are giving the best guidance to her. As a parent, I never pressurized her to get good marks. Rather, I always motivated her. Thank you again.
Hello everyone, my name is Shai Nikesh. I am from class 12E of East West Model School. I have got 5th rank in my school and secured 95.25% in ISC. First and foremost, I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for National School Toppers Award and for giving me this opportunity to share my experience. In order to get good marks, I try to be persistent with my studies and follow the instructions of my teachers. I would also like to express my utmost gratitude to our school and to all the teachers who always encouraged me to work hard and have always guided me. My parents also helped me a lot and has always supported me. Without the guidance and support of my school, teachers and parents, this result would not have been possible. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dolon Kes, mother of Saini Kes from class 12E of East West Model School. I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for honoring us and awarding the students. I have never really pressurized my daughters on studies and have always encouraged to her. I am also very grateful towards the school and all the teachers for constantly guiding and supporting her. Thank you.
Greetings for the day. I am Swarnadeep Samanto of Standard 12 from East West Model School. I have secured a position of 6th with an overall percentage of 95 under the overall school toppers category. Firstly, I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for National School Toppers Award for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. The position which I have secured is the result of my hard work and the lessons which I have learned from my mistakes. I would like to thank my parents, my teachers, our principal sir, the faculty members, as without them my dream would have never come true. Thank you to all of them. Thank you.
Greetings for the day. I am Devjani Samanto, mother of Swarnadeep Samanto from East West Model School. Firstly, I would like to thank AKS Education Awards. I as a parent did not force him to do this and that, but told him what is right and what is wrong. I helped him in his studies as much as I could, but rest of the credit goes to his hard work, the help from his teachers, principal and faculty members of East West Model School. Thank you.